Okay, fine. So, just a second. Yeah. So, good morning to all of you. First of all, we would like to welcome here Neha ma'am and Pushkar sir from the GrowwStack, and they very, magnanimous-heartedly they accepted this proposal, although it's their weekend, it's their holiday, and Neha ma'am was very in a difficult situation to attend this, but still she has, very nicely cooperated with us, and we are very much thankful to her that she is guiding our student, so that there can be more number of people be recruited for the internship for this GrowwStack. So I will not take much time here, and I will hand it over to Neha ma'am and Pushkar sir. So there are two to three agendas that we have got in this meeting. The first of all, as I already told you all, that the form filling that we are supposed to do. I have already shared the form with Sage Indore students and with Sage Bhopal students
Hello.
also. Our sir has shared.
You
Now,
can also.
yes. So the thing is that the first agenda is that Neha ma'am will guide us that how we have to fill up the form so that there will be more chances of yours getting uh, shortlisted. Just a second. Sorry. Uh, Shortlisted for this next
Yeah.
phase written and um, written and then the HR round. Okay, so that is one thing that is form filling, right? The second thing is that ma'am and sir will guide you that what exactly company is doing and what are the expectations from you. And the third thing will be the question answer sessions. I already requested to all of you that please go through the form, and if you have got any doubt, so it will be easier for you to point that out because many students individually approached me and they asked that, sir, we are not able to understand this part, that part. So that's what we have already done. That I have already shared the link of the form that you are supposed to fill, and then you can ask any question regarding that. Okay. So I think agenda is clear to everyone, right? Now, I just ask Neha ma'am to continue. If she has got she can share her screen also and she can start. Neha ma'am, please hand over to you.
Yeah, so wonderful. Good morning to everyone. Thank you for joining this meeting. So basically, here we'll be discussing the particular placement form. Like it will be application form for the growth stacks. सो हियर देर इज़ नो नॉट अ बिग फंडा टाइप ऑफ थिंग. एक छोटा सा फॉर्म है जो आपको रिसीव हुआ होगा, ठीक है. सो उसमें आपको नेम, ईमेल आईडी, फ़ोन नंबर एंड नेक्स्ट जो पार्ट आएगा उसमें अगर आप चेक करेंगे तो उसमें आपका ग्रेजुएशन जो आप कर रहे हैं, सो वो आप कंप्यूटर साइंस से बिलोंग करेंगे तो वो आपका एआई लाइक उसको ग्रैब करेगा. फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हम आएंगे तो आपने अगर कोई इंटर्नशिप अगर आपने करी हो, इट विल बी गुड कि अगर आपने करी हो या आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट करा हो तो वहाँ पे आप अच्छे से मेंशन करिए कि अगर आपने पर्टिकुलर आपकी एजुकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट किसी लाइव प्रोजेक्ट पे या फिर कोई मॉक प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क करा हो रिलेटेड टू एआई और एनीथिंग, और एल्स कोई भी पर्टिकुलर कोडिंग का यूजिंग जावास्क्रिप्ट, पाइथन और एनी कोडिंग लैंग्वेज यू हैव वर्कड ऑन, सो आप वहाँ पे वो मेंशन करो. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट मेरा ये है, आप लोग नोट कर सकते हो. if you have any pen paper with you, you can just note down कि हमें क्या क्या वहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कुछ भी लिखो, क्योंकि अगर आपके फॉर्म में वो लिखा हुआ है तो उसके बारे में आपको बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू हैव एनी प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस इन इंटर्नशिप और फुल टाइम रोल्स. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू mention any internship you have done, or else you have done any type of project ना, you can just need to put that down. ठीक है.
Neha ma'am, sorry
So
to disturb you in the middle. I just is it possible for you to share the screen with that form, or if you want, I can also do that.
yeah,
Uh,
please share with please share, sir,
Yeah,
from
yeah.
your side because I just joined from my mobile phone.
Understood. I understood. That's why I'm just offering this. So you just continue your talk. Meanwhile, I just try to share the screen. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
You carry on.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, so everything is like you just need to put your internship experience, any full-time experience or the project experience. Okay, so related to the coding, related to AI, related to automation, you just need to drop that or at least use two, three lines to convey your project. Okay, don't mention that I have just done a AI project. No, you just need to describe the particular project or internship you have done before. Okay. And apart from this, sir, can you please share the screen with the form so I can like convey to, or else I can share from phone if you want.
Yeah, no, no, no. Just a second, Neha. I'm just sharing. Just a second. Uh, just a second. I choose the window. Where is the window? Yeah. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, yes.
Just a second. I think, but this is a different one. Just a second. Just a second. I just. I hope it is visible now. Is it visible to everyone?
Uh, yeah, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Neha, it is visible to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Carry on.
Okay, so yes, first of all, I already mentioned that you just need to put your name, your email ID, your phone number. That will be available on WhatsApp because you'll be getting updates on WhatsApp itself. Okay. So after that, your education qualification, already mentioned that you need to put related to the computer science, AI, automation, related to the technical field only. Okay, not a MBA student. If you put MBA na here, so you will get rejected because this form is for software engineer profiles. Okay, and next, do you have any prior experience in internship or full-time role? So you just need to put your experience, if any, related to internship, any full-time role. And I already mentioned if you have no experience in internship or in full-time, you just mention the project you have worked on. Okay. अगर कोई लाइव भी हुआ कोई मॉक भी हुआ यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट इट ऑन एंड जो भी लिखो आप ध्यान से लिखना क्योंकि अगर आप जो नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस में जाओगे उसमें ये क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछा जाएगा सो यू जस्ट नीड टू explain the particular internship or the project to the interviewer. Okay, so जो भी लिखे आप ध्यान से लिखें. Have you applied for any internship or job recently? So, like, yes, of course, अगर आप कॉलेज में हैं तो आपके यहाँ पे अलग अलग टाइप की प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव्स होती होगी, राइट? सो ऐसा कोई जॉब है, आप इंटर्नशिप है, आप अगर अप्लाई करा हुआ है तो यू कैन जस्ट कन्वे टू अस. What is your vision for your career in software engineering? So, yeah. So this is the main question you just need to answer very like in deep key why software engineering you want to do in the particular field in AI field and everything you just need to convey. So यहाँ पर आपका लॉन्ग टर्म गोल हम चेक करना चाह रहे हैं कि आप लाइक इन व्हाट इज योर विजन फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 years एंड नेक्स्ट 10 years. ठीक है, सो वो थोड़ा सा आप अच्छे से कन्वे कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो यही मैं चाहती हूँ कि बेसिकली आप ये इस तरह से कन्वे करें लाइक एटलीस्ट आप 4-5 लाइन लिखेंगे तो इट विल बी गुड. ओके, आप यहाँ पर आपका इंटरेस्ट बता सकते हैं कि आपको यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग दैट्स व्हाई यू आर डूइंग. कोई फोर्सफुली तो नहीं करवा रहा है सो ऐसा कुछ आप मेंशन नहीं करिएगा जिससे आपके रिजेक्शन के चांसेस ज़्यादा हो. तो आप आपका इंटरेस्ट बताओ वहाँ पर, आपका फील्ड बताओ, आपको क्या मतलब क्या मोटिवेट करता है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में जाना एंड एवरीथिंग. यू जस्ट नीड टू कन्वे एवरीथिंग हियर. ओके. And the next question is, what will be your level of commitment to our company if selected for the internship? तो यहाँ पे मेनली ये सबका अलग अलग आंसर हो सकता है कि आपका क्या कमिटमेंट रहेगा अगर इफ यू ज्वाइन एज अ इंटर्न। सो ऑफ कोर्स सभी को इंटर्न बनकर तो नहीं रहना होता है कंपनी में। ऑफ कोर्स दे वांट अ फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो आप ऐसा आपकी इंटर्नशिप ड्यूरेशन में क्या करना चाह रहे हैं जो आपको कंपनी को लाइक कुछ फायदा लाइक कंपनी के लिए सही रहेगा एंड आपके लिए भी फुल टाइम के लिए आप कैसे जल्दी से कन्वर्ट होंगे, तो वो आपका कमिटमेंट यहाँ पर होना चाहिए। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, सो बेसिकली इन द मार्केट अभी हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज आ गई है इन इंडिया। ओवर द ग्लोब बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज आ चुकी है। सो वाई ऑटोमेशन एंड एआई, राइट? मतलब अभी अपने पास अगर हम देखें तो कोई पाइथन डेवलपमेंट में जाना चाहता है, कोई जावा डेवलपर बनना चाह रहा है, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर बनना चाह रहा है, कोई फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर बनना चाह रहा है, कोई बैक एंड। Everything is available in the, like there are so many technologies are available. So here we are providing you the internship of automation and AI, right? So why automation and AI? So इसका भी आपको आंसर लाइक अच्छे से देना होगा कि दैट अगर आप आपका जो एजुकेशन है वो ऑटोमेशन एआई से है, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू आर वांटिंग द इंटर्नशिप रिलेटेड टू ऑटोमेशन एंड एआई। तो आपका इंटरेस्ट है एआई में, एआई अभी बूस्ट चल रहा है मार्केट में, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर डूइंग द एआई। इंटरेस्ट आता है, मतलब सही लगता है ऐसा, आपको एक अच्छा सा कन्वे करना है यहाँ पर। ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर भी आप एक अच्छा सा पैराग्राफ, नॉट, डोंट यूज चैट जीपीटी, क्योंकि आपके जो आंसर है ना वो चैट जीपीटी ही करेक्ट करने वाला है। तो उससे भी पता चल जाएगा कि कितना आपने चैट जीपीटी से करा है और कितना आपका ह्यूमनाइज है। ठीक है। तो आप अगर पर्सनल आपका लिखेंगे ना तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा। ठीक है। आप उसको भले ही कन्वर्ट करके लिखो या कुछ एक अच्छी लैंग्वेज बना के, बट आपका जो इंटरेस्ट है टेक्नोलॉजी में वो आप लिखेंगे तो ये आपके लिए रिजेक्शन के चांसेस कम करता है। ठीक है। ओके। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन दैट द पर्टिकुलर इंटर्नशिप, आपको आपका पर्सनल लैपटॉप यूज करना रहेगा। ठीक है। अगर आप कोई लाइव प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स कंपनी विल प्रोवाइड यू द सिस्टम, बट जब तक आपका ट्रेनिंग एंड इंटर्नशिप चलेगा तो यू नीड टू डू वर्क ऑन योर पर्सनल। या, सो नेक्स्ट इज रेट योर सेल्फ। सो प्लीज रेट योर सेल्फ एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। ओके। डिसिप्लिन में आप अगर रेट कर रहे हैं 5, तो ऑफ कोर्स इंटर्नशिप में आपको ऑन टाइम होना होगा। ऐसा नहीं कि आपने 5 राइट कर दिया, आ रहे हैं हम 12 बजे 1 बजे, नहीं। ये आपकी पर्टिकुलर आपकी इंटर्नशिप ड्यूरेशन को चेक करना चाह रहे हैं। तो आप अभी तक के आपके कॉलेज के टाइमिंग्स में, अभी तक के आपके लाइफ के टाइम में आप कितना डिसिप्लिन्ड रहे हो, इसमें आपको खुद को पता होता है कि मैं कितना डिसिप्लिन्ड हूँ। तो टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आपको जो भी इसमें रेट करना है ये आपकी ईमानदारी से करना होता है। ठीक है। सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, आपके ये सबके एक टेस्ट होंगे। सो उसी हिसाब से आप इसका रेटिंग दें, क्योंकि आपके पास आपकी रेटिंग के हिसाब से ही क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं। ओके। ओके। सो यस, तो इसमें भी रिजेक्शन के चांसेस हैं। कम्युनिकेशन में आपको हमेशा एक्सीलेंट होना होगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि वी आर डीलिंग विद आर इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स ना। सो यू नीड टू डेमोस्ट्रेट योर प्रोजेक्ट्स टू देम, राइट? नॉट डायरेक्टली, बट ऑफ कोर्स कभी कभी होता है कि प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हर कुछ डेमोस्ट्रेट नहीं कर सकता है, या कोई पर्टिकुलर टीम लीडर आपका प्रोजेक्ट डेमोस्ट्रेट नहीं कर सकता है। जो आपने किया है वो आपको डेमोस्ट्रेट करना होता है। सो ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड द कम्युनिकेशन 5 out of 5। ओके। सो टू बी ऑनेस्ट ये तो 5 होना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि रिजेक्शन के चांसेस यहाँ पर भी कम हो जाएंगे। डेडिकेशन टू वर्क, ऑफ कोर्स आप डेडिकेटेड होना चाहिए कंपनी को लेकर। अगर आप कोई इंटर्नशिप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं सो ऐसे मजे के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स आपको डेडिकेशन शो करना पड़ेगा पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, पर्टिकुलर इंटर्नशिप के लिए जिसके लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो ही आपके साथ कंपनी वांट टू कंटिन्यू, अदरवाइज नो। ओके। सो दिस विल बी गुड फॉर यू एज वेल एज विथ अस। ओके। Logical reasoning will be a type of a question. Like after this round, na, you will be getting a paper pen round in your college itself. So logical reasoning तो हमने हमेशा like अपनी लाइफ में किया ही होता है, जो एक नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन होता है, वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल, मैथमेटिकल। सो वो नॉर्मल सिंपल क्वेश्चन रहेंगे जो एक लाइक 12th क्लास का बच्चा भी क्लियर कर सकता है। सो आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन कि उसमें आप सब 100 में से 100 मार्क्स लाएं। सॉफ्ट स्किल्स इज लाइक जस्ट अ कल्चर फिट, लाइक आपको कल्चरल फिट होना चाहिए इफ पर्टिकुलर आप किसी कंपनी में ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो वहाँ पर आपका बात करने का वे, कंपनी से कैसे डील करना है, मैनेजर से कैसे डील करना है, आपका एक पर्टिकुलर जो स्किल होता है वो आप उसके हिसाब से रेट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट लास्ट few questions are left, like do you having any health issues जो कि आपके इंटर्नशिप पे इम्पैक्ट करेगी, तो वो आप यहाँ पे मेंशन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर दिस, ये मैंने ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर दिया कि वी आर डीलिंग विद इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स, तो हो सकता है कि आपके क्लाइंट्स रात को अवेलेबल हो या कभी अवेलेबल पर्टिकुलर टाइम में आपके वर्किंग आवर्स में नहीं हो। और हमारा जो टाइमिंग्स है 12 to 9 है, उसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हैं जो इंटर्नशिप का है, तो इसमें आपको यस और नो में मेंशन करना है। वाई डू यू वॉन्ट टू ज्वाइन ग्रोस्टेक्स? सो ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से एक इसका आंसर देना है, एक पर्टिकुलर जो इंटरेस्ट है उस बेसिस पर। सो दैट्स इट। एंड आई यू अप्लाइंग थ्रू कॉलेज, यहाँ पर आपके कॉलेज का जो नाम है वो आप अपडेट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। सो अगर इसमें आपको कोई डाउट्स है तो आप कन्वे कर सकते हैं मुझसे, तो मैं उसको भी क्लियर करने के लिए अवेलेबल हूँ। एंड of course, over to you, Pushkar. Like if you want to add something here, Pushkar, are
Uh,
you available?
yeah. Good morning, everyone. So, Neha ma'am has explained you how to fill this form, very like every field and everything here. Just let make sure कि आप जो भी भर रहे हैं be true the heart है and everything is clear. So because we have integrated the GPT and everything to evaluate based on our experiences what we need from a candidate and everything. So we have created a custom GPT there. So it will evaluate your responses and everything. So make sure that whatever you are filling the details are correct and you feel like joining this company. So let me introduce myself before. Hi guys, I'm Pushkar, working as a software developer here at a team lead at GrowwStack. So the majorly the company works on the make.com, Zapier, no code solutions, which are like solutions which are scalable and fast, which
Pushkar,
provide.
sorry to disturb you. Do you want me to
Yeah.
open the website or you are okay with that?
I'll share my screen and show
Fine,
them
fine.
and at the last like how automation works. So I'll give
Fine,
them
fine.
a brief example about them also.
Thank you.
Uh,
Carry on.
yeah. So no code platforms are like they are these platforms gives us functionality to integrate the backend. So what we are looking in the candidate is like he's a quick learner, he knows the APIs and how, like if you have tested APIs like on the Postman or some other tool and you have worked on the JSON structure and everything. So these are two basic key requirements what we are looking for. When we are working in the backend, you are just working on the JSON part where you handle the data, and the next is like integrations. You know the authentication types like auth 2.0, JWT. So we are not expecting this kind of very deep knowledge about authentication, how three-way handshake works or three-legged automation, three-leg authentication, two-legged authentication. We just want to know that you are capable of learning these things very quickly because we are small team of people working on the many number of large number of projects integrating different software. So I can't give you the number of softwares which we have worked on, but I can give you the examples of automations which we have worked on. So like we integrate businesses which work on lead generations, SaaS. Then if you have like seen businesses which are doing social media marketing, automated marketing, so we create a robust architecture using this make.com and Zapier. So businesses can focus actually on work rather than focusing on the developers and everything. So they are creating custom code. So this hassle of hiring three people and then creating code, and this has been now outdated, that things are shifting to no code solutions. And the things so that's why we are working on this field, and we need people like you who are just interested in this field, can work, and quick learner. That's it. There's no more requirement here. We won't be asking you the deep data structures here from linked list and these are. We will be asking you simple questions and everything, but we'll evaluate on that basis only. So no need to worry about on that front. Just make sure the form is filled right. Yeah. So I'll give you the one more example here, like how make.com is and everything. So I'll just share my screen and Yeah, just give me. Let me pull up my automation. Okay. Is it my screen visible?
Yeah, to me it is. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see this is the automation which we have created for company. It's uh, so QuickBooks. There is a tool named QuickBooks, which is which is a accounting software. Then there is a Google Sheet where we manage the data. So and Shopify is a platform where the sales and orders are coming. So this is a business operation which we have created completely here. So it marks the whenever the order is coming, so how it should be processed. If the order has certain labels, it goes the different route. So these kind of logic which we create, using a Flask application or creating a backend for that, that takes a like number of days, and then it goes on the production, like testing, and then there are multiple versions coming on, then it takes some time. But these processes can be simplified using these platforms. Here you have to just go and add modules. Here if you can see this, it has a 3000 plus apps here in this. So we are actually working on this platform. So if you are expecting a job profile where you will be able to work on VS Code, then I'm sorry, you'll not be working on VS Code. We're working on the automation tool here. Simply just what I have shown you here. So yeah. So can we conduct a Q&A session now? Like if everyone has understood what we do and how to fill a form and everything. So we,
सनी इससे बड़ा है नहीं ना चश्मे में साइड मोटा सा अरे उधर इधर वो लाल के पीछे नहीं वे लग वैसे है नहीं शायद वही है
Disha, 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 mute yourself.
Students, I think sir is not available in the meeting. So if you have any question, you can just ask one by one, so we can clear and conclude the meeting. So I have one message from Sushant that when we enter the mobile number, the first three digit, the number is written in brackets. Yeah, yeah, it will be. And in the second time zone, there will be no option of yes or no. Sushant, just refresh your form. So maybe there is some error from in network or anything. So I think it's visible to me, and I think from to different students too. So if you have any questions, so please continue, students.
Yes, actually, I just wanted a small brief. Like, as Pushkar said, that in the written assessment, what will be main emphasis on? Like once they are recruited with the form, proper form filling, shortlisted. After
Mhm.
that, when the written will take place, so in that written, what emphasis students are supposed to make upon?
This is a normal logical reasoning test. So 10 question will be of verbal reasoning. The next 10 question will be non-verbal reasoning, and the next 10 question will be of mathematical reasoning. That's it.
Okay, there will be no like question related to any programming language or data
No,
structure.
no, 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 no.
Okay, fine. And as far as then HR interview is concerned, so that is totally separated from this technical phase, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, fine.
And after the HR round, there will be a technical round then.
In that technical round, what can be expected? Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
So
Yes,
in the
please.
technical, yeah. So in the technical round, what we expect from a student is like what they carry a resume and what will be having their data. So we'll be asking the questions related to what they have mentioned in resume, what skills they have mentioned like Python, Java, C, C++. So these languages and the data structures, what we ask, what generally I ask is like arrays and strings questions to just check that how they are they able to work on the like basic data types and all, and simple SQL question, database question, query where update these like queries we you can expect in an interview where you have to write on no, on a notebook page. I'll give will provide you that, and that's it. So we'll be asking us basic simple questions related to whatever you have mentioned here and your experiences, what you have mentioned, so we can rectify like are these experiences real or not what you have mentioned. So that's it. So to shortlist that part, so we'll go through your resume. So don't expect that what you have put we will just let it slide. We'll go through whatever you have mentioned in your resume, and then next we'll be asking you the simple questions related to your what degree, what you have done, arrays, structures, and this computer network, simple questions. That's it.
Pushkar, so you are saying that, don't worry about the preparation, but in the technical round, you are going to grill them. Huh?
I'm not saying that don't worry about the preparation, but just be prepared what you have give written in your interview. So if you are evaluated on this it like HR, after HR run you are selected, so don't worry about that. Just prepare yourself what you have mentioned, and that's it. You can
Okay. Yeah.
get through.
So I had a meeting with you all yesterday, Neha and Pushkar. So like you were discussing, Neha told me one thing that once our student will go through the website, and especially she was talking about the blogs, right? So
Yeah.
could you little bit speak about those blogs that will guide my students to prepare well?
uh, okay. If they want to go to the blogs, that's okay, but let me clarify. Don't We are not expecting you to come here and beforehand you learn the tool. We have a team will provide you the resources and everything. So we'll keep focus on what you have mentioned in a resume and everything. So we are not expecting priorly that you have learned the automation. Well, we have resources, will provide you, will guide you in the internship period. You'll learn over the time, but that's it. So don't panic over that thing. So, yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, you can go and understand the business operations, how things work. So you can just go to blog. We have created numerous blogs like to for the clients and everyone. So that's a marketing, everything is going on. So yeah, you can go and understand the what's a business, how things are working on, so you can understand that. But don't panic over the automation part, like you have to learn.
What I feel is that they don't need to be panic, but I'm sure
Yeah.
when they will go through the blog, when they will read it, so I think they will be able to justify the information that they have given in the form, that why they like AI and ML and all this thing, right?
Yeah.
That will be a justification. So from I think Neha and Pushkar's side, it is over. From my side also, whatever agenda I had, I have already focused upon. Now just last, we have got hardly 5 minutes. This meeting will over. So this is a question and answer session from students. Students, do you have any questions? You can ask. Just raise your hand, and then you can ask your question if you have got any question. Any one of you. This is what my request. We have got last 4 to 5 minutes. Please feel free if you have to ask any question. Although I have recorded the session, and in case if you need any support, okay, from Vinay Sharma is asking something. Yes, Vinay, please carry on.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर वाइल फिलिंग आउट द फॉर्म मैंने आपको बताया था एक इश्यू एनकाउंटर हुआ है ये जो
Okay.
फिलिंग बार है एज वी वर्क विद इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स आर यू कंफर्टेबल एडजस्टिंग टू देयर टाइम जोन सो there is a option selecting फिलिंग बार गिवन तो उसमें मैं ऑप्शन नहीं सिलेक्ट कर पा रहा हूँ यस और नो का एंड इफ आई राइट यस इट शोज नो रिजल्ट फाउंड फॉर द ऑप्शन
Okay. Just share us a screenshot about that. We'll update the form if there is a issue or you are just individually experiencing that. Just
ओके
share
ओके
it to
सर
sir. We'll fix
ओके
that
सर
if that's the
ओके
problem.
सर ओके सर
Anyone else? Fast. We have only 4 minutes remaining. Okay, Sushant also got the same problem. Fine, that will be recovered. Don't worry,
Yeah,
Sushant.
that will be addressed today.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll do.
Yeah. Anyone else? Because meeting will automatically be ended, and I don't want.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Jivisha, carry on fast.
Sir, I wanted to ask that if any assessments are taken, so it may be basically an MCQ based questions are arising, and it basically on an handwritten means what are the pattern?
Uh, Come
Sir,
again.
actually it is based upon an MCQ based questions are coming in an assessment, or it
Yeah.
may be an handwritten.
No, there will be MCQ questions. You have to earn basic reasoning and logical questions. That's it. And there will be couple of questions. That's it. And that will be MCQ.
Okay.
Yes, fast. Anyone else? So in advance, Neha and Pushkar, I thank both of you for giving your time. And because the meeting may end anytime, and I don't feel like to have any need of any other further meeting. So in
Yes,
advance, I
sir.
thank both of you that on your weekends also you spared some time for us. And I thank
Yeah.
to our sir from Bhopal also, Sachin sir, that he connected the student from Bhopal. And sir, are you all right with everything? Okay, so just a second, I just take a small uh, photo from here, and then we are good to go. So thank you everyone for joining, and this is a request to you all. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is my request to you all that you will be present on 20th and 21 both day physically in the campus. So thank you so much, Neha ma'am, Pushkar sir, and me. All of you will see you there in the campus. So
Okay.
that's all from my end. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.